Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ank Eru from jamtoursafrica.com, ivaluebride.com family. That website is coming up, family. And you know what I mean? That website will be actually, you know, finding the right match for our people. Bring back black love. Black family. I just say African family. Everything I say in my, I actually say in a family. It normally come to life in a family. You know what I mean? I'll be saying peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. You know what I mean? So in all of my business, I am actually teaching love. You know what I mean? I am teaching you the love to come back to Africa. I'm teaching you the love into actually, you know what I mean, staying healthy and so forth, loving food. I'm teaching you love, you know what I mean, in the African family way, by we have that website to actually, you know what I mean, connect people together. The Jam Tours Africa website, africa.com website is to connect you to coming back to Africa. The I Value Bride website is actually to connect you to actually find a nice wife and start a nice family, you know what I mean, bringing back the African family. And the veganchoicefoods.com is to keep you healthy family, you know what I mean? So it's always, and that all of that will give you peace. And you're in Africa, so you have the sunlight. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, in this video, I'm actually on my way to the market family. You know what I mean? It's a Sunday here in Kenya, and as you know, the vegan and Jamaican restaurant in Lavington actually, you know what I mean, it's actually getting a buzz right now. We've seen that a lot of people find us on Google and come in. If you're not come for the Jamaican food, yeah, come for the vegan food, you know what I mean? So everybody love it. So, you know, I'm just going to the market, get some fresh produce family. I'll show you what the market look like, you know. So actually while I'm coming family, you know, I always have my thoughts in my head, and I was saying to myself that a lot of people gonna come to Africa and mess it up family. You're gonna come and mess it up. Because what happens is that you're gonna come, you know, with a one-time opportunity to make it big in Africa, and you're gonna mess it up. Because why? You want to come and feel like you can do it by yourself. You know what I mean? Enough people have to actually help. You know, when they come, you know, and them do it for themselves, and they realize that now work, and them brinks, you know, and the brink of going back. You know, okay, you know, most likely a lot of family watch Jam Tours, so you watch it with your family and thing. You know what I mean? Because it's a family channel, you know what I mean, about living in Africa. So a lot of family members watch, same family members. So most of the time they send one person to go and check it out and thing, and then go and stuff, and you know what I mean. And when the man bring to go back to and say, yo, this not work. I think the daughter have to call her and say, call Jam Tours. And when she called Jam Tours family, you know what I mean, she started to actually understand how things work, and you know, same time she get her apartment and she live nice, you know, and you know what I mean. The other day the daughter come down and look for her and everybody happy. So I'm saying family. So I saw the thing to go family, and I mean, say come here and I try to do it by yourself, because you know, Africa is not like you can take yourself and go to the United States and everything is plug and play. Africa is not no plug and play place, you have to plug and learn, you know what I mean? And that's why Jam Tours is there, because now we're at the networking age. And when you come into Kenya, you get plugged in at the highest level in Kenya. All of these top events, high commissioner events, all of these social events, you know what I mean? I remember in Jamaica, you know, when you open the Sunday Gleaner and you go from the Outlook section, there's some nice, actually, social event where all of the politicians and everybody are going and say, boy, I want them, which we can go them things there too. You know what I mean? So me coming to Kenya and all these events, you know what I mean, they've been invitation from all the commissioners and all the embassies here, family. So at them type of network they get when they come with Jam Tours. You know what I mean? So me carry a diploma through, and you know what I mean, anymore from St. Martin, and anymore actually meet the Barbados High Commissioner and all these people there. And you know what I mean? You have to carry him, make him dig off him fist conversation start. You never know where it might lead to, family. You see what I'm saying? So all of these things they are getting at the package when they come with Jam Tours. Jam Tours not that I'm not here around when doing a Huba family. So now when nobody come, I remember, you know what I mean, a lady come in and she said, every day she on the phone with me and tell me say this and that, Ray, and Tay, she a come and she want to pick her up because she don't know. You know what I mean? She afraid of strange and all kind of thing. boom, pick her up 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night. You know what I mean? And we drop off the ladies, you know, make sure she going safe and everything. And because she come to Kenya already, and she say, oh, she have some, you know, some Kenyan shillings. So when she comes, she will pay me in Kenyan shillings. I say, oh, maybe she have a lot of Kenyan shillings or whatever. Only when we done, I say, oh, may I leave, and the lady give me like 1,500 shillings family. I say, oh, can I? We just take it and laugh and just go on, because I say I'm towards, you know, money don't really matter, value matter. Yes, what I say? So I take it and just go on, but in my heart, rest good with me. I'll never think about that. I'll never forget that. I'll never forget. You know what I mean? So that's why I try to show your family. A lot of people feel like they jump through the Uber. You don't understand where you take this thing for. You know what I mean? You come to Africa. You know what I mean? You know, if you want to come and do it by yourself, it's fine. You know what I mean? But you don't know, so yo, there's a price you will pay. And trust me, the price that you're going to pay is maybe regret. And nothing in life is better than having a regret factor. See what I'm saying? So that's why I'm trying to show you guys, say, yo, you know, when jump throws our farm service, it's not the psychology thing behind it. You don't understand the psychology thing. And that's the reason why enough person go and then go in a place where them not like. Because why? You now understand it. When you come to an African country, you got to see it from how the foreigner see it. You come from a first world country, a country have a lot of amenities. You know what I mean? So you want to live that same life. Nobody want to downgrade in life. Who want to downgrade? Tell me now. You know what I mean? So, that's what the thing said, family. So when you come in Africa, you see you have to downgrade everything far from your reach, and you can't get this and you can't get that. You have to just say, oh, you're going to function. And it's more traumatizing for somebody who come from a first world country, we come in a third world country, because nobody in life psychologically, you know, want to actually downgrade from your lifestyle. You want to have the same lifestyle, you know what I mean, and even better. So that's what most people confused. When you come and try to do it by yourself, you now get to actually see firsthand of what is available. A lot of people come with jam tours, and in 1 week, they understand themselves in Nairobi, they don't feel like a tourist no more. Because you know what you're supposed to know. You know, when the tourist jam tours, they come up at the top of the network in Kenya. You know what I mean? Any type of person you want to meet, I can take you to meet them. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, at them type of service at jam tours, I mean, they are in a Uber, you know what I mean? Or, you know what I mean? Yeah, family. So I don't want nobody feel like see me there hustle nobody, family. Jam tours no hustle. You know what I mean? My thing have value upon it and have value. And if you understand, if you understand value, then you know what I mean, you just go and, you know, I don't have a problem, because once I take jam tours off I'm time, and my time me account by time. You know what I mean? Day. I take an entire day to set you up in a Nairobi. That's the value, and the price I'm put on it at the price. You know what I mean? I don't want nobody to tell me say, oh, you know what I mean, it's too expensive, because you don't understand the value, the psychological value where you get, and that's why you think like that. But you have to understand, say, it's not all about the money where you pay, or the value where you get. The value where you get will last of your lifetime. You know what I mean? When you buy something, it's not, this is, and that's the thing, you guys understand value, you know. When you buy something from somebody, it's a one-time buy. You buy a product. That's the thing, product is different from value. You have value added product, and you have product, a regular product, like you buy a piece of sweet potato, you want me to eat, and you buy it, and that's it. It's an exchange. You know what I mean? But what me offer is not even the money is not even an exchange. You know what I mean? It's add value, it's a lifetime thing. You come here and you meet somebody, boom, you and them turn business partner, boom. You come here, you want something to sign up and dine up, boom. You know what I mean? Everything is a lifetime situation. So you come in, no matter how you come here as a big professional with a PhD or your master's or whatever. You know what I mean? At the highest type of heights, a diplomat may I deal with over here. So diplomat, people are flying from foreign affairs, and you know what I mean? At them type of people, you know, when they come in Nairobi, at them type of people may carry on. You know, big top event, event actually planner in Jamaica, we keep like Yush and Daydream and all of these big events. You know what I mean? So yeah, get connection on a different level that even know. You know, if you're in Jamaica, you say you want boom boom, you want to put on an event, you have somebody can call and say, yo, boom boom boom, boom bang 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 bang. This someone I want to do this and that and that and that and that and that. You know what I mean? So it's like a worldwide thing, family. So open up your eyes. You know what I mean? In a life, it's just one connection you need and one advice, and that's it. If it's a serious man, you need nothing more. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we are the market, and now for me come out and grab a few things. Maybe just tell you guys what I'm supposed to get at the market for the restaurant, because You know what I mean? Let me see where the chef sent me. The chef in Kenya, they said the chef. So it's actually I need to get thyme, carrot, callaloo, bell pepper, spring onion, pumpkin seed, potatoes, cilantro, spinach. So let's go and get that, family. Let's go. Yeah, family, so I'm actually in the market now. You guys know, this is a tree tomato. This is the juice that I drink. This is the fruit that make it, the tree tomato. So yeah, I think you have some nice one here. What you sell them? How much for one? How much per one?
50.
Alright, so what's we need to get some onion. We get some onion.
Sababu Daudi ukisoma kwenye neno lake Mungu kwenye hiyo kitabu.
Yeah, fam, so in the market.
Hiyo mlango.
In the market with there. Today Sunday them I preach. Yeah, family, so I'm in the market. I do some shopping, you know what I mean, for potatoes. You know what I mean, I'm trying to get some potatoes, but it's like price going up. So I try bargain and I look around. So let me just purchase from this lady. You see your price was how much again? So the price can I differ? I get 60 and 70 from one person. 60. Who did say 60? Who did say 60?
Jamaican.
Yeah, oh, yeah, potatoes. How much is the potatoes? Ooh, a lady give me for 60 down there. 60 ladies give me for, my sister, so you have to give me for 55. Anyways, give me like 10 kgs. 10 kgs. Yeah. So in the market today, family. In the market today. In Kenya. Yeah, family, so what we get. Yeah. Inside we have put it. Pumpkin seed. Make the garland breathe. Anyway, guys, I'm at the restaurant, guys, and you know what I mean, just forwarding the party thing there. We are make some big bamboo mokumbero today, so watch out for that. Big bamboo mokumbero, make some fresh strain. So if you are watching this, put in your order now.